I'm just trying to help you out. We're gonna get you fit, we're gonna get you lean. You gotta change your lifestyle, you gotta change your habits, and there's no need to stop eating things that you like. You just have to make them differently, okay? I'm telling you, follow along with this, it will help you out. All right, first up, what I'm gonna want you to do, you're gonna get some chicken thighs, some chicken breast, all right? Or at the store you're at, I'm at H-E-B right now. So at the store you're at, these are amazing right here. Lemon pepper, already seasoned. All you gotta do is cook them up. Man, it tastes great, I promise you. So get some type of chicken thigh, if you want to. It's got a little bit more fat, but man, it's got a ton of flavor. Chicken breast, you want to go a little bit leaner, or if you can, find some that are already seasoned. Like I said, this H-E-B has a lemon pepper one. Them jokers are good, I promise you. So let's move on to the next. We're gonna make some meals out of these now. So you gotta get your protein first. So that's what we're gonna use. We're gonna use chicken. So let's see what else we're gonna get. All right, now, so on the chicken, we're just gonna cook up the chicken however you want. So cook up, if you have the chicken breast, cook it whatever seasoning you wanna cook it, it doesn't matter. But what we're gonna put it in, I want you to come look for these tortillas right here, okay? Mission Zeros. This right here is Sriracha Ranch. They also have just the basic ones. You can also get these right here. Man, I don't know what it is about these, but if you can find these, grab you these. These things are amazing. They're super soft, all right, coming in only, let's see here, these jokers right here, these are the zero net carb ones, all right, but man, if you feel them, super soft, all right? So we're gonna make some chicken tacos. It's so easy. Weigh out the chicken, weigh out about 4 to 5 ounces for lunch, and you can even do the same thing for dinner. Just season it a little bit different. So get you a pack of these. Let me back up here. Everybody surrounded trying to get these tortillas, boy. All right, so I'm gonna grab me a pack of these, or these also. These are a little bit bigger, okay? So get you one of these. That's where we're gonna put the chicken in, all right? So let's move on over. Go ahead, boy. Oh, sorry about that. I'm trying to stay out, boy. Everybody's in this aisle right now. Let's look over here. All right, so for breakfast, I want you to grab you one of these. Most stores have these 20 grams of protein in one serving. Use just a fat-free milk, and man, it tastes really good, okay? So check these out. It's a Premier Protein. Have a bowl of these for breakfast. It'll set you straight, all right? All right, for a snack, I can't recommend these enough, okay? It's like every single video I'm putting this on because it's so easy. 25 grams of protein. They taste amazing. This is the Key Lime. This location also has a peach, all right? And then they have a blueberry, okay? So check these out for a quick snack. Scoot on back here. So yeah, check those out for a quick snack. I'm always recommending them. They're so easy to eat, so do those, okay? All right, for another quick snack, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab you some rice cakes, okay? Here's the regular one. They also have white cheddar, it's really good. What I like to do with these is put some honey on them, all right? So drizzle some honey, especially on the white cheddar. You get the salty kind of sweetness. Take your 2 rice cakes, put some honey on it, maybe even a little frozen fruit. Man, I'm telling you, it will take care of a sweet tooth, and it's a great snack, okay? So keep these rice cakes in stock too, okay? So like I said, for breakfast, we're gonna do the cereal. For lunch, we're gonna have some type of chicken taco, all right? However you wanna flavor it. If you wanna put some hot sauce on there, however you wanna do it. And you can also check my videos. I have videos where I've prepared different types of chicken. You can use those, but make sure you're using some type of tortilla like that, all right? These are really good, I'm telling you, check them out. And then for dinner, do the same thing, make some more chicken tacos. You can eat 4 of those tortillas and you'll be good. Add some type of veggie, whatever veggie you want. It could be frozen, it could be fresh. Add some type of veggie with your tacos and it'll taste, you know, either in them or on the side. Okay, so some type of veggie, we gotta get our veggies in, okay? And for snacks, we had the rice cakes with honey and maybe some frozen berries on there. I'm telling you, try it, it tastes so good. Whenever you come and shop, make sure you pick your protein first. So we got chicken, and then next up is gonna be, how are you gonna eat the chicken, all right? So you can actually do this for those chicken breasts, measure out 4 to 5 ounces and make the tacos with those. I'm telling you, those tacos are good. I'm not joking. Look at my videos, look at one of my playlists where I have a lot of my videos where I'm cooking, get some different ideas, okay? So, let me move over here, get out the way. Comment, like, subscribe, show me some love if you like these videos. I'll keep making them, just trying to help you out. We're gonna get you fit, we're gonna get you lean. You gotta change your lifestyle, you gotta change your habits, and there's no need to stop eating things that you like. You just have to make them differently, okay? I'm telling you, follow along with this, it will help you out. Let's keep getting better, let's go.